Hi, now I'm going to explain the project Fidoop parallel mining of frequent item sets using MapReduce. The main objective of this system is to achieve compressed storage and avoid building conditional pattern basis. Fidoop incorporates the frequent items ultramatic tree rather than the conventional FP trees. In the existing system, rather than considering the a priori and the FP growth, we incorporate the frequent items ultramatic tree in the design of our parallel frequent item methodology techniques. We focus on FIU tree, means frequent item ultramatic tree, because of its four salient features, which include reducing input output overhead, offering a natural way of partitioning a dataset, compressed storage, and averting recursively traverse. In the proposed system, a new data partition method to well balance computing load among the cluster nodes. We developed Fidoop ST, an extension of Fidoop to meet needs of high dimensional data processing. The advantage of the proposed system is Fidoop is efficient and scalable in Hadoop cluster. The software requirements for this project is firstly the Eclipse. Firstly, the Eclipse. Eclipse is an IDE, is the integrated development environment. With the help of Eclipse, we can able to develop the applications just like the Windows applications as well as the web applications. It will give the standard directory structure to develop the applications. Then we are using the Tomcat as the local server, then MySQL as the database, and SQL for the interface for the MySQL. Then we are using the Sijin terminal, Sijin tool. With the help of Sijin tool, we can easily interact with the Hadoop STFS from the Windows environment. So there are 6 commands are there of the Hadoops. We need to run in the Sijin terminals separately. Then only we can easily interact with the Hadoop STFS. Here we are the item sets we are storing in the Hadoop STFS. Based on that item sets, we are calculating the frequent item. is the Adobe STFS where the files will be stored here, the data will be stored here. Then I'm starting the Tomcat server. This is the database of the project. This is the index page of the project. If we do, let us log in with admin. Now the admin is logged in successfully. See, here we are uploading one Excel sheet. In the Excel sheet, the items will be there. Based on these items, we are creating the item set. Based on that item set, we are finding the frequent items. Here two approaches we are doing, the FP tree and the FIUT tree, and finally we are concluding that FIUT is more efficient than FP tree in the form of the time constraint and as well as the performance constraint, efficiency constraint. Now I am uploading the Excel sheet which contains 3000 records. Based on these items, we are creating the item set. That item set we are storing in the Adobe STFS. While calculating the frequent item from the Adobe STFS, we are retrieving the data, and based on the support value, finally we are finding the frequent items. This project is developed based on the MVC architecture. MVC means Model View Controller. It is a software design pattern for developing the web application. Model is the lowest level of pattern which is responsible for maintaining the data, and view is responsible for displaying all the portions of the data to the user, and controller is the software code that controls the interaction between the model and the view. Because of this MVC architecture, we can able to host this application in the cloud also. So the file has been uploaded to the Adobe STFS. This is the item set. Based on this item set, we are going to find the frequent item. Here we are doing the two approaches. Firstly, we are doing with the FP tree for the 50 records, and this is the support value which is in the percentage format. 0.5 means 50%. For the 50 records, which are all the items supporting 50%, we are finding the frequent item. For the 50% of support and for the 50 records, it took 100 seconds of time to find the frequent item. Then next approach is FIUT algorithm, same 50 records, and for the 50%, this is more efficient than the traditional FP growth. It will give more frequent item, and also it is time efficient. Now this is the FIUT algorithm result. It took 64 seconds for the 50 records, and the support is 50%. Then we can view the graph based on this. This is the bar graph, FIUT versus FP growth, support 20%, and this is the graph 2, which shows the line graph, frequent item set versus the support level, and the user can able to truncate the tables, can able to change his password, then he can able to view the result. This is the result. There is no result for the 50% for the 50 records. With the help of FP growth, here in the FIUT it will give the frequent item. This is the FIDO. Thank you.